to make a sound of grape in your mouth. First of all, put a grape in your mouth with a bite on your teeth. Second of all, push your lips to the grape and make the grape fall, and that will make a sound. Now I will show you how to make it.